Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my new video, Top 5 Best Helicopters in the World 2020. 5. Z-10. The Z-10 is the new Chinese attack helicopter. Its development began in the mid-1990s. It has been designed with extensive technical assistance from Eurocopter and Mangusta. Other sources claim that development of the Z-10 has been assisted by Russian Kamov Helicopter Design Bureau. Prototype of the Z-10 made its maiden flight in 2003. Initial production gunships were delivered to the Chinese Army in around 2009-2010. Currently the Z-10 gunship is widely used by the Chinese Army aviation. This helicopter has been exported to Pakistan. A first batch of 3 helicopters was delivered in 2015. The Z-10 is the first dedicated modern Chinese attack helicopter. It is believed that it is in the same class as the AH-2 Rooivalk and the A-129 Mangusta, however it is not as capable as the AH-64 Apache. Primary mission of the Z-10 is anti-armor and battlefield interdiction. It also has some limited air-to-air combat capabilities. The Z-10 helicopter has a standard gunship configuration with a narrow fuselage and step tandem cockpits. Gunner is seated at the front and the pilot is at the rear. The fuselage has sloped sides to reduce radar cross-section. All vital areas are believed to be protected by armor plates. Weapons of the Z-10 may consist of 30mm cannon, HJ-8 or HJ-9 anti-tank guided missiles, comparable to the TOW-2A, newly developed HJ-10 anti-tank missiles, comparable to the AGM-114 Hellfire, and TI-90 air-to-air missiles. It can also carry unoperated rocket pods. The prototype of the Z-10 was powered by 2 Canadian Pratt & Whitney PT6C67C turboshaft engines, developing 1,531 shp each. However, indigenous engines were planned to be used on production helicopters. It is likely that the Z-10 might use engines of the WZ-9 helicopter, however these are less powerful than Canadian design. 4. Eurocopter Tiger. The Eurocopter Tiger is a 4-bladed, twin-engined attack helicopter which first entered service in 2003. It is manufactured by Eurocopter, the successor company to Aerospace and Daimler-Benz Aerospace AG's respective helicopter divisions, who designate it as the EC-665. In Germany it is known as the Tiger. In France and Spain it is called the Tigre. Development of the Tiger had started during the Cold War. It was initially intended as an anti-tank helicopter platform to be used against a Soviet ground invasion of Western Europe. Due to a prolonged development period during which the Soviet Union was peacefully dissolved, France and Germany chose to proceed with the Tiger, developing it as a multi-role attack helicopter instead, achieving operational readiness in 2008. The Tiger has the distinction of being the first all-composite helicopter developed in Europe, and incorporates other advanced features such as a glass cockpit, stealth technology and high agility in order to increase its survivability. Improved variants have also begun to enter service, outfitted with more powerful engines and compatible with a wider range of weapons. Since the type's introduction to service, Tigers have been used in combat in Afghanistan, Libya, and Mali. The Tiger is capable of undertaking a wide range of combat missions, including armed reconnaissance and surveillance, anti-tank and close air support, escort and protection of friendly assets. 3. Mi-28N, Havoc. The Mi-28 combat helicopter has been developed by MIL Moscow Helicopter Plant and is known by the NATO codename Havoc. In August 1996 MIL rolled out a prototype of the day and night capable version, the Mi-28N Night Havoc. The first production Mi-28N took its first flight in April 2004 and began flight testing with the Russian Air Force in June 2005. The Russian Air Force has plans to procure up to 60 of this variant, now called the Mi-28NE Night Hunter. 3 were ordered in 2005 and 16 more in 2006 for delivery by 2008. The first production aircraft was delivered in May 2006 and began formal acceptance testing in September 2006. 5 aircraft are involved in the testing, which is scheduled to conclude in early 2008. Mi-28 can fly at a maximum speed of 300 km per hour, can fly rearwards and sideways at speeds up to 100 km per hour and is able to hover turn at 45 degrees a second. The helicopter design is based on the conventional pod and boom configuration, with a tail rotor. The main rotor head has elastomeric bearings and the main rotor blades are made from composite materials. The tail rotor is designed on a biplane configuration, with independently controlled X-shaped blades. A new design of all plastic rotor blades, which can sustain hits from 30mm shells, has been installed on the Night Havoc Mi-28N helicopter. The helicopter has non-retractable tricycle tail wheel type landing gear. The energy-absorbing landing gear and seats protect the crew in a crash landing or in a low-altitude vertical fall. The crew are able to survive a vertical fall of up to 12 meters per second. The Mi-28 has a fully armored cabin, including the windshield, which withstands impact by 7.62 mm and 12.7 mm bullets and 20 mm shell fragments. The helicopter is equipped with a turreted 2A4 230 mm cannon. 2. AH-64 Apache. An advanced multi-role helicopter with unprecedented performance, advanced sensors and connectivity forming the building blocks of this fully integrated platform. The AH-64 Apache stands as the world's most advanced multi-role combat helicopter and represents the backbone of the U.S. Army attack helicopter fleet, as well as a growing number of international defense forces. The U.S. Army Apache fleet has accumulated more than 4.5 million flight hours with more than 2,400 Apaches delivered to customers around the world. Boeing is committed to the continuous modernization of the program to ensure that AH-64 capabilities outpace adversaries to maintain battlefield dominance today and for decades to come. Optimizing readiness for Apache fleets around the globe is one of Boeing's primary missions, from performance-based logistics (PBL) and integrated fleet support to modifications, repairs and training. Boeing provides a broad spectrum of innovative products and services which directly support and enhance capabilities while reducing the total cost of ownership. Boeing's award-winning services range from transactional spares to complete lifecycle support solutions that are uniquely tailored to the requirements of each AH-64 Apache customer. Collaboration is key to Boeing's success around the world, and our commitment to in-country partnerships is a major focus for Boeing in its second century. We are investing in talent, training and skill development now and for the future, ensuring that workers are ready to deliver world-class quality. For example, Boeing's joint venture facility in Hyderabad with Tata Advanced Systems is delivering Apache attack helicopter fuselages for our global customers at a steady pace, with plans to establish rotorcraft training and support capabilities in India as deliveries commence this year. 1. Ka-52 Alligator. Ka-52 Alligator is an all-weather attack helicopter operated by the Russian Air Force, developed by Kamov Design Bureau. Part of Russian helicopters, Ka-52 is a twin-seat variant of the Ka-50 attack helicopter. The Ka-52 helicopter can destroy enemy armored and unarmored ground targets, low-speed aerial targets and personnel at the front line and in tactical depth. It is also deployed as a surveillance platform and aerial command post for a group of attack helicopters. The first Ka-52 helicopter was rolled out in December 1996. The helicopter completed its first flight in June 1997. The serial production of Ka-52 began in 2008 at Progress Arsenyev aviation plant in the Primary region of Russia. Russia plans to equip its proposed Mistral-class amphibious assault ships with Ka-52K helicopters. Ka-52K is a naval variant of the Ka-52 Alligator. In December 2010, the Russian Air Force's 334th Tactical Deployment Center in Torjuk received 3 Ka-52s. The twin-seat Ka-52 will serve in the Air Force as a special mission helicopter. The Russian Air Force began fielding Ka-52 helicopters in April 2011. The Ka-52 will replace the Ka-50 Black Shark fleet that is in service with the Russian Air Force. Ka-52 incorporates a slightly modified design of the Ka-50 helicopter. The helicopter features a wider nose and an extended fuselage due to its twin-seat cockpit. The commonality of the airframe, components and systems of the two variants is about 85%. The helicopter has a length of 16 meters, height of 4.9 meters and main rotor diameter of 14.5 meters. The maximum takeoff weight of the Ka-52 is 10,800 kilograms. The twin-seat cockpit accommodates 2 crew members in side-by-side arrangement. Both the crew members are seated on identical K-37-800M ejection seats. The modern glass cockpit is equipped with a head-up display HUD, 4 SMD66 multifunction displays, helmet-mounted side display, image intensifiers and a GPS receiver. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like video for more interesting facts.